Hello everyone, in this video we will see the object to object conversion with the help of Mapstruct. So an older way we used to just do it with the help of getter and setter, like fetching each attribute from this with the help of getter, and then we are setting it to the DTO and pass it further to the front end. And now this Mapstruct dependency will generate the implementation for us. So let's just quickly create a project and we'll see the implementation, like how we can achieve this. So from Spring Initializer, let me just quickly add the package name. So data mapper I'm using, and demo will be the app name, and Java 8 is fine, or 11 let me use. Fine, dependency will be web generate. Now I will open this project in IntelliJ. Let me do the just extract it here only. Fine. Now the idea dot. So this project now will be open in the IntelliJ idea. Okay. Okay, it seems Maven is not available, or path is not set. So go to setting and see the path. Okay, now, okay. So it is resolving dependencies. Okay, now let me just create the package structure. We need entity package, then DTO, then mapper and service. Fine. Let me create a DTO. So order. One second. Let me just move it inside the entity. Move it to entity. Okay. So this will be our entity. Let me just, instead of typing, let me just copy paste these attributes. So okay, we can apply the getter and setter also. We can use Lombok, but for demo purpose I just keep it simple. And now let me create OrderDTO and copy these attributes. Okay, generating getter setter. Fine. Now create a mapper class. But currently we don't have the Mapstruct dependency, so let me quickly add the dependency in our pom.xml along with the plugin, so that when we need a conversion from order to order DTO, so this when we apply the Maven command, so plugin will generate the implementation. I'll show you in a minute. Let me add dependencies from abstract and plugin. Okay, it is taking time. Let me just pause. Okay, so I added this dependency and along with this build plugin. So this will generate the implementation. Let me just download. Okay, fine. So now here we can create a mapper, and so we need from order object to OrderDTO object. So let me create an abstract to OrderDTO from order. Okay, and by default it's public, but we can create. Okay, so we can create a abstract class so that this mapper will create an implementation from order to OrderDTO. And if you see our attributes, so here we can see this order ID, item name and quantity will be matched, but based on price we need to calculate the total price, and from total price we need to calculate the priority. So to do that, very first we need to before mapping we need to calculate the total price from the quantity and price. So here for how to achieve, we can create an implementation because Mapstruct don't know about your business, so that's why we can do protected void and calculate total price. And how to calculate? From order object it will get the input, and we can use the mapping target. So mapping target is our order DTO. Fine. And here we can say before mapping, and now we can say order DTO dot set total price. And how to calculate? Order dot get quantity into order dot get price. So this will be set, and then based on total price, now we got based on total price we need to calculate the priority. So this should be after mapping. So we can same way we can do that. This is also from Mapstruct and protected void calculate priority, and same way mapping target. Here we don't need the order object because from order DTO we are getting the uh, data like total price. So okay, so how to set order DTO dot set priority. So priority, we have some logic we have to apply. So let me just create a functional interface. So it is from Java 8, which is you can create your own function. So basically it is taking one input. So our input is our total price, and this is in form of double, and we need a integer so as a outcome. So this is a value. So if value is greater than 1000, then send it priority as 1, otherwise 5. Now we can apply this function on data. So on total price. So order DTO dot get total price. Okay, so now this will be applied and it will set the priority based on this function and order DTO data. Okay, so now you can see the target is empty. So based on this order mapper, it will generate the implementation, like Mapstruct will generate the implementation. Now how to do that? We can go here, we can do clean, compile and package. Let me pause. Okay, this is done. So here now you can see that it is generated. So this implementation has been generated. So here from the order mapper. So this is we have created abstract class. So this is the implementation, and this implementation is using our before mapping and after mapping annotation also. Okay, so now we can test it. Let me create one service. This will be service, and here we can just simply create public order DTO get imported get order DTO from order. Now we need a mapper object, so we can just use, we need a mapper object, so order mapper. So from mappers we can get it, mappers dot get mapper. This is order mapper dot class, and from order mapper we can just call the order DTO, like to order DTO, and pass the order, and we can return this. So that's it. Now we, in the demo application, we can call. So let me just auto-wire the service, private order service. This we can auto-wire, and here we can use the post construct annotation. So, so this here we can just simply create a order object, just import it. Okay, and now we can simply set the order ID, set item name, let's say iPad cover, set quantity 4 and price. We can say 245.80, and now let's say 6. Okay, now we can call the order service dot get order DTO and pass this order and simply print it. So we are printing order details. So let me just quickly override the toString method, otherwise we won't be able to see the data. So just generate the toString, all fields I want to see, and fine. So this should print the OrderDTO. So this service will call the mapper implementation and do that. Okay, so let me run this. So scaling point of view, this will be very easy. Like if you want to add attributes in entity, so no need to change the mapping and all. So simply you can just add the attributes here and in DTO and you can pass it. So yeah, we can see that this total price and the priority is 1 because the price is greater than 1000. So here our functional interface also working. Yeah, and now let me just do it for, let's say, 2. So then priority should be less. Yeah, so now priority is 5. So yeah, so that's one use case for this map struct. Thank you.